Guys, all of you get my voice on screen. Please confirm to me, guys. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Please confirm to me, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending online. Right. And check it what we completed in the last session. In the last class, just I given only overview of this, like which one here? Java features. That part here we completed. Right, sir. Now today we are going to see right, sir. All right, we are going to see the content like which one. Steps to prepare first application. The topic here we are going to understand today. All of you up to this clearly. No? Steps to prepare first Java application. Right. What are the various steps here we required to prepare the first Java application? Right. So the first one is download and install Java software. Download and install Java software. What about Java programming format? Already I completed Narendra. Java programming format already I completed there, right? Guys, have I completed Java programming format? Please guys, all of you check for it. Have I completed the Java programming format? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, all the members have done it. All we completed Java programming format. Right, sir. So download and install. Even if any of you are missing the topics there, if you are missing the topic there, no need to worry for that. I will take that backup sessions again. Again, I will take that backup sessions. Then again, I will show that. I will give the schedule for it, and from which point onwards, I'm going to take these backup classes. No, again, I will show these backup classes to you. No need to worry for this. Right, sir. So might be just one or two members are giving information to me. Yes, we are not completed that. No need to worry for that. Maybe very soon I will conduct that backup classes. There you can cover all this content. Right. Let us continue this content, Ken. Steps to prepare first Java application. Now in that steps to prepare first Java application, first one is download and install Java software. This is first one. And the second one is download and install Java editor. Of course, I'm going to use Edit Plus initially, but once that basic classes are completed with Edit Plus, one or two examples are completed with Edit Plus, then immediately I will introduce Eclipse IDE. I will do programming with Eclipse IDE up to some part of the Java. The remaining for completion of few topics with Eclipse IDE, then I will install IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA. I think in the demo class also might be some people are asking to me. Yes, definitely. I will discuss with you regarding this IntelliJ IDEA. ID also I will use. Right, sir. Another ID is also I will use. Right, sir. So at present, see, I will give that time to time, I will give that clearly. No, I will give that clarity to you time to time, what you have to install and what you have to use. Of course, then NetBeans or IntelliJ IDEA, then either of these, all IDs are available with me. Right, no problem, guys. Then some people are saying NetBeans and some people are saying IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, no issues. We will check with all these IDs. Eclipse IDE and what next one there? NetBeans IDE and IntelliJ IDEA. All these IDs I will show. No need to worry for that. Right, sir. Yes, we can install. See, in my system at present, almost all how many IDs are available? With respect to Java, almost all 3 to 4 IDs are available. With respect to Python, almost all, again, 3 to 4 IDs are available. Nearly 6 IDs are available in my system at present. So just we can install any number of IDs at a time. No issues. And see, these two are two different programs. We are going to maintain them in our system. That's it. No problem. We can install either of these. Or maybe then, anyway, then as per our request, I can show programming with all these IDs. No need to worry for that. Right, sir. And next one is like which one? Then after that, after completion of this, download and install Java editor, then edit plus. Here we are getting there. After completion of this, the third one is like which one? Here, all of you observe this clearly. Download and install Java software, download and install Java editor. Then after that, write Java program. Minimal program. What we have to write? Minimal program. What we have to write? Then I will discuss with you. Write Java program that we have to provide. And the fourth one is like which one? Save Java file. And the fifth one is like which one? Compile Java file. And the sixth one is like which one here? Run Java application. That's it. These are overall 6 number of steps here we require if you want to prepare Java applications. First one is like which one here? Download and install Java software. Second one is download and install Java editor. Third one is write Java program. Fourth one is save Java file. Fifth one is compile Java file. Sixth one is run Java application. Right, sir. So these are the 6 number of steps here we are able to have to write, and that means to prepare first application. Right, we are going to see one by one all these things. No, all of you have to this clearly. I'll provide this. First of all, just I want to download and install Java software. Guys, all of you observe this clearly. If you want to download and install Java software, first of all, we have to download from internet. And before this, I want to give clarity to all of you. Know, I want to give clarity to all of you. In my classes, in our classes, I need to start a comparison right from Java 6 version to up to Java 8 version, or maybe up to Java 14 version. I have to discuss the programs. Java 6 version to Java 14 version. That means version to version, some differences are available, some new features are available, some features are already existed features are removed, some kind of changes are available from version to version. So I need to show all these points in our classes now. So I require to install how many Java softwares in our system there? Nearly Java 6 to Java 14. These many versions I required. Definitely throughout our course, we are going to talk about right from Java 6 version to Java 14th version. Maybe in the future, maybe within 3 to 4 to 5 months of time, we will get another Java 15th version also. Right, sir? If it is coming, then in the future, we have to work with which one? Java 15th also. Maybe. Right, sir? Anyway, that 15th, just forget about it. If it is coming, then we will think about it. But at present, I need to talk about like which one? Java up to Java 14th version. Right. Next, what I am telling to you, all of you, what I am telling to you clearly, I need to at present for the sake of our first applications, first programs, I want to install Java 6, Java 7, Java 8 for basic programming. Just I want to show that installation process. No, Java 6, Java 7, and Java 8. I want to show that for the very first applications. So next onwards, that Java 9 or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on flow in the middle of the course, I will include them. Then I'm going to discuss about that content. But as of now, at present, here I want to provide like which one there? Java 6, 7, 8. I want to install in front of you. Good guys. This is the story here. What I'm telling to you. Try to understand this, what I'm giving clarity now. Right. Then after completion of this, then what about the next one here? How it is possible to download Java version from internet and how it is possible. Right. I'll give some clarity to you. Try to understand it now. Say for example, I will Java 6 version here I've taken there. I want to in our d:/Java 6 here itself, I want to prepare a folder. That folder is like which one here? Softwares. Of course, later on I will share these softwares to you also as per our view. So here I want to keep my downloaded softwares there. Anyway, I want to download some softwares. First of all, let me check for it. Guys, one thing I'm telling to all of you, in Java, latest version of the Java is Java 14. Out of these many versions, up to Java 6, Java was managed by Sun Microsystems. Then right from Java 7 version onwards, Java is going on with Oracle Corporation. So Java up to Java 6, we are getting like which one type of installation process. Right from Java 7 version, we had some recommendations from Oracle Corporation. Don't go for official versions there, then better to go for like which one here, OpenJDK. Then freewares they are providing, try to use that freewares. They are giving this type of intimations to us. So Java 6 version I want to download from which one? Oracle Corporation from Archive. Java 7 onwards, I want to go for that different approach for this installation now. Right, sir. Anyway, time to time I will show that information to you. First of all, understand this clearly now. Right, sir. Now my requirement is which one? Java 6 version I required. Java 6 download. Just I'll go for Google, where I will go for like which one? Java 6 downloads. So with respect to Java softwares, just if with respect to the Java softwares, just Google search. Then why? Because we are unable to remember all the URLs, all the website names. Why? Because throughout your Java career, we have to install n number of softwares. But from where we have to get that? No, not required to remember everything. Just what I'm telling you, just directly we can go for like which one they know, like Google. Then go for this search Java 6 download. If you use the cache words in the first one or two websites in the search result, we are able to get our actual might be home website. You are able to get. This is Oracle.com, Java.com. It's not required here. Anyway, Oracle.com here it is available. From this here we can download our respective Java software. Moreover, up to Java 8 and 9 versions might be, all these are old versions when compared with Java 14. Max, when compared with Java 14, all these versions are which one? Old versions. So they kept in the archive. They kept inside the archive. So we have to download them from archive only. So Java 6 version is a old version that we have to download from archive. Guys, all of you are following this one. All of you are following this. What I am doing now. No response, guys. Please, all of you give response for my questions now. Time to time, you have to give response for my questions now. All right. Now give. Right. Then what I am telling now, I need to download this, right click on it and open a new tab. I'll open this. Now here we are able to get like which one here? Oracle website here we are able to get directly download page. We are able to get it. Right. Now observe this clearly. So what is this version of the Java here? All these things here. Java SE6 downloads. Java SE6 downloads here we are getting it. See, observe this clearly. On the base of the operating systems, all these Java versions links are available. You can go for it. My operating system is like which one? Windows 64, guys. My operating system is which one? Windows 64. Now here I have to download this one. This link here I have to download. Okay, good. But at the time of downloading, I want to give some points clearly to you. All of you observe this clearly now. We have to download Java softwares as per our operating system only. Why? Because I made some number of times one conclusion. Java programming language is a platform independent, but Java software is platform dependent. Java software is platform dependent, but Java programming language is which one? Platform independent. All of you understand this point? So here my point is like which one? Here my point is Java programming language is platform independent, Java software is platform dependent. So how to download this platform dependent Java software. So before going to download it, we have to identify which operating system is your operating system. As for that, we have to download the respective Java software. So how I'm going to know what exactly my operating system here, how it is possible for me? Just open your drive, that means C drive, open your C drive, right click, go for properties. Right, sir. Right click and go for properties. Right, not C drive, guys. 1 minute, guys. Open this window, this PC. Open this PC, not C drive. Open this PC. Right click and go for properties. Right. Here we are getting some details. Guys, observe this clearly. What I am going to show now. Oh, right, sir. So here what we are getting, you know, install time 8 GB is okay, fine. System type 64-bit operating system, 64-bit processor. Intel R Core i3-7, that's okay, fine. That is processor. 64-bit operating system and a 64-bit processor. Right, sir. Windows 10. My operating system is Windows 10, and which bit processor it is? No, 64-bit operating system and 64-bit processor. So my operating system type is which one? 64-bit. So I know what exactly my operating system by seeing this particular thing. Click on it. All right, so now let's come for our download page. In the download page here, what we are able to provide then. So here Windows Intel might be something else. Windows 64, Windows x86 is available. x86 is supporting for like which one they know, 32-bit here. But now here I require Windows 64, JDK 6U45 Windows x64.exe. That we can do that. This we can do, right, sir? So now just let me click on it. Automatically it's got to be downloaded, but we have to agree these license agreements now. I reviewed and accept the Oracle binary code license agreement for Java SE. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Just click on this like which one again? Download JDK. That here we have to get. Click on it. But remember this, if you want to download RQ downloads there, so from Oracle website, you should have Oracle account. You must have Oracle account. Right, sir. Better to have Oracle account. If you are not having any Oracle account now, try to create that account. Just create account. Definitely we are able to get it, Oracle account. That's my point. Create account. We can click there. We can create your account. Where might be some fields are available. We have to enter that fields anyway. But I already had my account there. My account is already available with me. Right, so this is about my account. Right. It's already available with me. Right, so just I want to click on the sign in. Automatically I'm able to download it. Guys, and they're giving some information now. Uh, guys, all of you are seeing this information. What Oracle people are giving? Guys, what it is giving? Are you understand this? Right, what we have to do, sir? If Oracle people are not giving support, what we will do? Okay, fine now. Proceed. As a technical issue, lockdown effect. Right, sir. Even Oracle is also doing lockdown. Corona damage. Right, sir. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Good. Anyway, this is website. This directly oracle.com is giving this due to COVID. Right, sir. Right, sir. Good. So what I'm telling there, okay, man, Java 6 version I will show separately how to download and how to install it. Then I will go for Java 7 version now. Anyway, then if Oracle people are not giving that, what I have to do now? So anyway, just one thing I'm telling to you. Yes, no problem. No need to worry for this, guys. Just if I entered that username and password there, and if I click on sign in, if the sign in now, automatically my selected part will be downloaded. So what I selected there, I given already this username and password here. My selected part will be downloaded. What I selected here, guys, now observe this clearly. Now, this selected part will be downloaded. As is this exe file we are able to get. Is it clear now? No need to download this. As it is, this part will be downloaded. Automatically, this part will be downloaded. We can understand it. Let me click on it once again. Oh, good. And now it's downloading anyway. So you can observe this clearly. No problem. 60.0 MB is available. Wait 1 minute, guys. Guys, all of you there? All of you there, guys? Right. See this one. Now it is working anyway. Now here we are getting it now. That's okay, fine. All right, sir. Now, I think it might be then. We don't know why that problem is coming here. Just let me go for that location now. Just I got this one. I copied this. Just I want to keep that a folder, separate folder in our system there. D drive and your timing is which one? Java 6. Where softwares I provided this folder. Just where I want to keep this. This JDK software here I want to keep here. This is what exactly JDK 1.6 update 45 here we provided. Good. Right, sir. Now and before going to install this one, let me check it whether it is already the Java 6 version is installed in my system already previously. Let me uninstall it. Then after that I want to show this installation process. Right, sir. Now, if you want to uninstall all these things, that's what we have to do there. And to go for this uninstallation process, no, we need to go for like which one? Control panel. And control panel here, what we have to do there, we have to go for programs and features. All right, sir. So in my system now, at present now, observe this clearly. How many versions are installed clearly? How many versions are installed in my system? Just we can observe this clearly. Number of versions are installed here. But anyway, I don't require all these versions. I don't require all these versions. Just I want to uninstall all these versions anyway. All right, sir. Just wait 2 minutes of time. That uninstallation here we are going to perform. Right, sir. Just wait few minutes of time. Just once it is completed, then I will start installation process for Java 6 version. Definitely, we are going to use that Java 6 version. All right, sir. Just 1 or 2 minutes of time. We have to wait for it. Once it is completed, then we will start that uninstallation and all installation process. At a time, only one product we are able to uninstall. More than one is not possible. So one by one, all the things here we are going to install. Just wait a minute of time. Guys, and this Friday, I'm going to start a new Python batch at 5 o'clock. I think so. Just already we have seen that poster. So those who are interested, just we can plan for this Python class also parallelly to this core Java. Yeah, Python batch I'm going to start online batch only, online class only. I'm going to start completely online. Those who are interested, you can attend for this session. Right. So those who are interested, you can plan for this Python class also separately. Okay. Right, sir. Completed now. All versions here I want to uninstall. Let me do one time. Wait a minute of time. Those who joined for this online classes there, if you join for that, you will get materials automatically. Wait. Still the process going on. Right. Even though if you are not having any, even though if you are not having any programming knowledge, no problem. As a startup programming language, you can learn Python, no issues. So already you have taken steps to come for this with the Java. So more than this Java, when compared with Java, Python is simple. Simple in the sense that syntaxes and all are very simple. Yes, you can attend for it. Okay, what happened? Right, sir. Then Python class is at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Yes, anyway, then and today or tomorrow I will give a mail and message information also to all of you. Right, anyway, then Shubhangi, then try to talk with the admin people. You join for course or not? If you join for course, then it's okay. Then if you are join for register for only videos, it's not possible. Anyway, try to talk with our people. This online classes, you join for it, then it will be okay. You will get. Otherwise, if it is only videos, it's not. We are not going to get only videos. We are able to get it. So whatever it may be, just try to talk with our admin people there. When you register for it, Monday in the sense yesterday, right? Shubhangi, just yesterday, right? Shubhangi, last Monday only, right? Anyway, guys, then one time talk with your admin people. Already you had some mobile numbers there. Talk with them; they will give much clarity on it. Advanced Java, I will start maybe not immediately. Advanced Java, if you want to start Advanced Java, just be required. What I'm telling to you, you need to have some awareness on core Java, right, sir? Yeah, yeah. What happened to this Java 8 and 9? Right, sir. Wait a second of time. Just once if I complete this Java 6, at least Java 6 I will show to you. Java 7 also I have to uninstall. I'll install them. Advanced Java and Python both are different, sir. Both are not same. Python is a different programming language and Java is a different programming language. But both are programming languages only, but both are different. Okay. Guys, is my voice is clear to all of you? Is my voice is clear to all of you? Right, sir. Good, good. All right, sir. Then both we can learn parallelly. It's not much difficult. We can learn both parallelly. Like what I'm telling to you, you can learn this Java and Python parallelly at a time. It will not give any confusion to you. Oh, just it is better. Even my suggestion is also instead of learning the courses one after another, that means after Java Python or after Python Java, better if you are learning that both at a time. No, just easily we can map both the languages. So better do that. Then which one is better, Java or Python? People are asking this question to me now. So it is asking about company name. If it is asking about company name, then what we have to do now? Just give www.durgasoft.com. Or not like this, they can give any fake information also there. No problem. They can give any name, no problem here. Django or Python parallelly can I study? Answer for this question is no. That means what I'm telling you, yes. Answer is yes, but when it is possible, at least we have to complete core Python. At least if we have to complete core Python, then it is possible. At least we have to complete core Python, then only it is possible. Also, guys, what I'm telling you. So without having any knowledge on Python, it is not possible to understand about which one Django. Even some rumors are going on here in outside, no? Right, sir. Yeah, Python, I'm going to teach I'm going to teach that Python on almost all. How many IDEs there? First of all, ideally, next one is Edit Bus, next one is a Jupyter Notebook, next one is a PyCharm, and the next one is like which one after that? And Visual Studio. This is another one. All right, sir. Then these many IDs I used to I'll use that in my classes max. Right. Right, sir. Then see, then I'm planning for two more also. Yeah, advanced Python is also I will cover in that. Core Java hardly 2.5 to 3 months of time. 3 months of time it will take, sir, definitely. Why? Because up to Java 14th version I have to teach. Definitely, it may take some time. Don't think about it 40 days or 45 days of time. No, not at all possible. Why? Because content is heavy and it's not like a definition and syntax kind of things. Everything I have to start from scratch. So then right from beginner level to professional level, I have to bring each and every person. That's why definitely it may take up to 2.5 to 3 months of time minimum. I have to take the classes now. Right, sir. In Python, max I can cover max level is max I can cover NumPy, Pandas, then data visualization. Max up to that level we used to discuss in Python. Right, libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and data visualization max. Then like machine learning and this kind of statistics are not going to be covered there. That will be separate course. Machine learning and statistics and machine learning and NLP and all these things are separate course, not in this. This is basically Python. Even up to covering these pandas and data visualization is also max. All right, so now next one is like install the language. Right, last one. Python is one separate course and Django is another separate course. Right, sir. Python is like core Java. Django is like which one? A framework. In the case of Java, Spring framework or maybe some web frameworks are available. Start like that. In the case of Python, web framework. Right, sir. Good. All my setups, but means all the Java softwares are uninstalled, and one more small setup is remaining. I have to go for like which one here? Let me go for this, and now here this PC. Right click on this PC. That's the properties, environment variables. All right, sir. I want to know all these things. What are these two? Google API not required. Autocorrect, I will leave it anyway. This one also I want to delete Java home and path. In this path I want to edit it. Apart from this Python, my Java path is also available. Just I want to delete this. Delete my Java path. All right, so now get Java home is existed here also. I don't require this. I want to delete this. And in this path also might be some Java related things are existed now. Even though if you're having it, it's not at all giving any problem to us. Right, no problem. Totally, I disabled my total Java here in our system. Right, Java is not existing here. Yes, good. Right, sir, good. One minute, guys. What is Django? Django is a framework, web application framework for Python development. Right, sir. Definitely, opportunities level are very good, sir. Anyway, guys, then I'll talk about this all these awareness coaches at the end of the class today. Just let me continue our part here now. What I want to do now, just I'll go for this JDK 6 update 45 is available. Just I want to install it. Now observe this clearly how I'm going to install this. Double click on it. Yes. Right, sir. Now observe this clearly. Remember this up to Java 6 only. Up to Java 6 only. Up to Java 6 only. We have to install two products. One is like JDK and other one is JRE. JDK is a Java development kit. JRE is a Java runtime environment. As of now, understand the difference. Java JDK is our actual Java software, and JRE is having some libraries for executing our Java programs, and it is providing some runtime environment. So that point is sufficient at present. In the future, when I'm going to talk about JVM architecture, there I will give more clarity on this JRE, JDK, and JVM and all. But at present, we can understand in a version if you want to install it, then what we have to do now, two products are going to be installed. First one is like which one here? Java, like what I'm telling you know. First one is like which one? JDK, and second one is which one? JRE. Let me clear about my locations here now here. Java, these many things are existed here. Just I want to right, sir. Anyway, just 1.8 I want to remove, sir. JDK 10, JDK 11 I don't want to right now. Just I want to manage them as is. But later I will show how to use them. But at present, just I want to install like which one here? Java 6. Right, sir. Good. When I click on this enter button, first JDK is trying to be installed. First, what it is trying to be installed actually JDK. JDK we are going to provide there. And JDK by default it is going to be installed under C program files Java in this location. But anyway, then I don't want to install that JDK or Java software under program files. I want to install directly my Java software under C drive directly. So here I provided C Java location I provided. In this location I want to install it. So I will change that location. So just what I will do there now, here I will remove that program files part here. See Java JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45 that I want to provide. Click on OK button. The JDK location is finalized and click on next button. Right, sir. We can click on next button. It's going to start that installation process. After completion of the JDK installation, we are going to install like which one? JRE. JRE location also here we have to specify. Right, sir. Can we start doing programs by Eclipse, sir? Yes, we can do that. But I need to start that programming part with Edit Plus initially. Once you are getting awareness on this Edit Plus, the total, all these things, then we will go for like which one, you know, what I'm telling to you, that Eclipse or whatever it may be. Almost all 3 IDs I said to you, Eclipse ID, NetBeans ID, then what next one now? IntelliJ ID. All these things we are going to do that. How about Mac operating system, guys? And guys, and at present I'm not having this Mac operating system. Just go through that YouTube videos. Number of videos are available. Just we can do that. Right, sir. Right, good. Now here it is asking about this JR. You know, is it mandate to download from Java 6? Yes, definitely here we have to download that Java 6 version there. Or otherwise might be here what I'm telling you know. Java 7 version onwards, that installation process is somewhat different. I will show that. No need to worry for it. See program file Java. Now I don't want to install under program file. Just I want to click on which one? Change. Click on this change. Just remove this which one here? Program files not required. Directly see Java JRE6. Click on OK button. Right, sir. It was installed. Now click on next button. It's going to be installed. See, observe this point, guys. 3 billion devices run Java. 3 billion devices run Java. You can observe this clearly. And moreover here, if you observe this, JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45, JRE6, both are existed here, we can understand it. Almost all my installation process is completed. Just we can click on which one? Close button. That's it. Right, sir. Then finally here, what happened there? Our total installation process is completed. So JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45, and what next one? JRE6 is also be completed. Right, sir. See, better whatever the work I am doing in the class now, better to do the same work. Why? Because whatever the things I'm going to do in the there, try to practice them. If you practice them, then we are able to get awareness. Guys, to all of you, what I'm telling to you, whatever the work I'm doing inside the class, try to repeat the same work in our system. That only our practice. If you do that, if you completely do that, you will get more clarity on our content. Right, sir? Almost all of you are having video support there. So try to see that videos and try to identify, try to understand that all this content. Right, guys. Next one is now Java 6 version is installed, sir. Now after completion of this, I have to go for which one? Java 7 version installation process. Java 7 version now. Observe this clearly. First of all, let me download the Java version from internet. Okay, guys, observe this point, what I'm telling to you. Listen one point here. Up to Java 6 version, Java was available with which one they know? Sun Microsystems. Right from Java 7 version onwards, official Oracle has taken the Java 7 version. Of course, right from some updations of Java 6 onwards, Oracle has taken that which one? Java programming language. Good. The moment when Oracle has taken the Java version, Oracle people, they thought of it, they want to make the Java as which one licensed. Right, sir. Then the moment when they are taking Java, they thought they want to make Java is which one licensed. Of course, at Java 11 version, they implemented that. And at Java 11 version also, they made some relaxation for the people, only for corporate users. Only for corporate users. What's the meaning of corporate users now? So companies point of, only companies, if they want to use Java, they must take license. If you are using any personal, if you are using any, like what I'm telling you, personal use, or if you are in individual development part, then company, that means Oracle will not take any license from you. So only for corporate users means that only from companies, only companies. If any company wants to, for example, IBM is a company. IBM wants to use Java. Definitely, they must take license. They must take license from Oracle. Why? Because they are corporate, right, sir? For example, you are the person, you are the student, you are the individual person. You want to go for your own development. You want to use Java. So Oracle people will not ask you regarding this license. Directly, we can use that. So this is the relaxation here. What Oracle has given that. But at the same time, at the same time, right from Java 7 version onwards, Oracle has given promotion for their open JDK. So along with their licensed versions, they are providing some open versions also for the individual use for our purpose now. Open versions are also be provided by Java. Guys, all of you understand this clearly. What I'm telling you, Oracle people have given some open versions also. That open versions are provided by Oracle in the form of Open JDK, Open JDK 6, 7, Open JDK 8, Open JDK 9, along with this normal Java 7, Java 8, Java 10, like all these versions. So Oracle people has promoted Open JDK versions also. That means along with their licensed versions, some open versions and freeware also be there provided for Java for the sake of individual use, for the sake of normal use, non-corporate users now. So we have to take that versions and we have to use them. Guys, all of you are following what I'm telling to you? All of you are following what I'm telling you? Oracle has given two types of Java. One is as per their license and JDK. Another one is which one? Open JDK. Open JDK is for which one? Normal use. But Oracle normal JDK, Oracle JDK is for which one? Corporate utilization. Right, sir. Now here we need to get the Java 7 version Open JDK. We have to get it. That's why here what I will do now. Just I will go for Java 7 downloads. Java 7 downloads. I will provide this. Google search. Just I will go for Java 7 downloads. Right, sir. All of you observe this clearly. Java 7 downloads. Yeah, Java 7 downloads that we have to provide it. Right, sir. No limitation for open source, sir. But license if we take now, definitely they will go for some monitoring over your utilization. Right. Just I'll give that how to download from like what I'm telling, how to download this, like which one there from this open sources. No. So I need to be typed like which one there, open JDK. That's it. You get the java.jdk, some website name. That's openjdk.com. Government, yes, I'll give that one. Search key I want to provide it. 11 version over here. They will provide this. Yes, yes. See this guys now. Here we are getting that jdk.java.net. jdk.java.net. This is the version here what I am going to give. Just open this jdk.java.net. jdk.java.net. They are giving that. Now observe this clearly. In the left side here, we are getting some reference now. Guys, observe this clearly. At left side here, we are getting like which one? All the reference implementations are provided. jdk.java.net. Right, sir. Now, at this moment, what we are having, Java SE 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like which one? 14 versions are registered here up to now. All of you observe this clearly. So now, okay, just I have opened the Java 11 release kind of thing, but up to Java 14 version is available here as of now. Just we can understand it now. But I want to download like which one, Java SE 7. Java SE 7 here I want to download. Open JDKs. Here they provided like which one? Java SE7. Just we want to provide this. These are reference implementations which are provided by which one? Like Oracle. Right. So now let me open it. Java SE7. Let me click on it. Now here I'm able to get like which one here? Here we are getting that one. Now here we need to accept the license here. Accept license agreement here. Linux and Linux something and Windows. i586 binary. Right, sir. No problem. This is the reference implementation is available. Binaries are available. This is Linux and this is like which one? Windows. Windows related thing here we have to download. Just let me click on this Windows related thing. Now JDK RI 7U75 update here we are getting it. Right, sir. Now 9.4 MB, 79.4 MB. Just anyway, it's going to be a bit delay. That's it. Anyway, guys, then it's taking some delay anyway. Right, sir. Going on, no problem. Then once it is completed, then I will show that installation process also. But once it is downloaded, its installation process is very simple. No need to install file. No need to install anything. Directly install folders here we are able to get that. We are able to get it and we are able to use that. Right, sir. Anytime, minute of time. Once it is completed, then we will go for it. 79.4 MB is available. Almost all it is completing and 20%. 20. Right, sir. Then why? Because even I'm not having that JDK 7, that open JDK is not available, that I have to get. Right, this is one thing. Once if we completed that, just we will go for, we will see how to install that JDK 8 also there. Up to that 8 version I want to get there. 9 onwards, I will go for on time. Whenever I require that, then I will go for that 9 onwards. But at present, I want to show like up to which one, JDK 9. Just we can understand JDK 8 I want to use. 9 onwards in the future, I will go for it, not immediately. Right, sir. Right, and Srikanth, what you're asking, I'm not getting it. Hadoop develop. If you want to go for Hadoop, Max, what we required here, the core Java is sufficient. In Hadoop, especially map reduce concepts are available. There, core Java is sufficient. If you know that core Java, then it's okay, fine. Right, sir. Yes, we can update from 7 to 8 also. Instead of downloading that patch, instead of applying that patch to Java 7, better to download the Java 8 and directly we can install it and you can use that. Yeah. Right, so now I'm downloading open JDK 7. Yeah, JDK 7 I'm downloading it from the respect to like which one here jdk.java.net. A separate package is available that I'm downloading. Yeah, it is the recommended version what Oracle has given for us. Directly distribution care we are getting. Distribution in the sense like which one not required to install. Already installed folders care we are getting that we have to set in our path. Right. So now let me go for it. Then once if I cover this, then I will explain to you how to do this path and everything. Now, bit squared is coming. Right, sir. What should learn for full stack developer? Nothing, sir. Just if you want to learn the total Java, complete Java, if you want to learn there, max what we required. Mainly 5 topics in Java we required: core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, and web services. These things, and you need to have awareness on like which an Oracle, basic Oracle is required, and UI technologies are also required. Apart from that, nothing else is required. Just this content here we required. Right. Right, sir. But anyway, then a bit delayed is going on. This 7 here, I want to go for it. Then after this 7, then I'll go for this 8 also. Up to 8th version, I want to show. Then 9th onwards in the future, I will discuss about it. 9th version onwards. But up to 8th, I will go for it. I guess. Anyway, just it's going to be completed. Wait a minute of time. Right. Front-end developer in UI technologies you required majorly. UI technologies, that is another path actually. Then right from HTML to up to Angular. Angular, I think so. Angular 8 or Angular 9 latest version there. Just up to that you have to learn. Now, for front-end development, we required up to Angular. If you want to set your career on that. So right from HTML, CSS, then what next one there, and JavaScript. Then after that, jQuery. Then after this jQuery, maybe next one is like which one? Angular JS is not required, and Angular is sufficient. Angular is the latest one. Then Angular like which one? 8 or 9 latest versions available. We are going to use that. Yeah. Now at present, I'm going to use 6 or 7, 8 versions at the starting programming part. Once if I completed that, when I'm going to use that Java's 9 features I required, there I will go for which one? Java 9 version 1. In the middle, I will introduce them. Right, sir. Then out of this 6, 7, 8, all I'm going to access. How I'm going to access this, I will show that clearly. Here we had that clear-cut procedure for it. How I'm going to use this. So as part of my classes, I'm going to use all these versions time to time. Whenever we are having some difference in a particular topic from 6 to 7, 7 to 8, and 8 to 9, all these differences are available. Definitely, I will show. I will execute parallelly all the programs there. I'm able to show some results. Definitely. Right, sir. Almost well completing. Right, sir. Now completed. Now, what I will do now, just I need to get copy of this. Just copy this. Just I want to go for your locations there. Software's locations here I already provided there in our I mean Java 6. Inside this Java 6 software skill folder I provided. I'll provide like which one paste. A zip file here we are getting it. Just let me open it. If I open this folder here, we are able to get. What was that folder here? We are able to get. Are you getting any folder here? Java SC RI folder. Struct here. Let me go for it. Extract here directly. What will happen? No problem. Java SE7U update 7 RI. Here we are getting there. In this folder, we are able to have bin now, right? So this one here we require that we have to set our content. Good, fine. Finally, here what we got here Java SE7 not required to install, sir. What if we install that? What we are getting there, the same thing here we are getting now. Just here we are getting this. Now here what I will do now, I will copy this. I'll copy this installed one. I'll copy this and I'll go to C drive. Inside this C drive, what I will do, where we provide our location there, Java location here I provided, just I will paste here. That's it. That is one process. Or else then what I will do there, whatever the download here we are getting there from directly now, just let us copy this and just go to the directly C Java. Here I'll paste it. That here what we are getting there now, the directly zip file here we are pasting now. Now here just we'll go for extract here. If we click on this extract here, automatically Java SE7 update 7 75-RI here we are getting it. That we are getting there exactly. Right, so this is one thing. And next one is which technology is suitable. That means which technology is best according to you. For me, both are same, sir. Both are very simple for me. It's not at all difficult thing. Right. Now get just 6 and 7 here updations are provided. Now let me check it. Just like which one? Java 8 also. From the same website here, from the same location here, we are having the Java 8. I can get it. Java 8 version. Right. So now here we are getting like which one here? RI binaries are available here. Then where we are able to, where we have to download this. Let's say for example. Distribution. Or else now let me go for it. Java 8 download. Yes, here we are getting it. Yes. They give you some reduction there. From here we have to get it, and here Oracle JDK. This is like which one here? 14 version here we are getting, but I want to get like which one here? Java SE8 update 256. JDK download here. Just I want to go for it. That's fine. Right, so some important notice they have given. No need to think about it. Just I'll give that notice also clearly. Now just I will go for this. This JDK 8 here we are going to get from this. Right, so from Oracle website only here we are getting it now. Here we are downloading this. Again here we have to install this. Just here we are getting that exe file that we have to install. Which is Java editor is mostly used in companies. Eclipse is the first priority. Next one is IntelliJ IDEA. Next one is NetBeans. Java software is created by using which language? But majorly JVM. Mainly here we are going to think about JVM. JVM was prepared in Java only. JVM was prepared in Java, but different tools are using some different native technologies. Right, sir. Different tools are having different native technologies. Just we can understand it. It's not like in by using a single. Right, sir. Latest Java version for practice and concepts explained. Definitely. Up to Java 14 version, we are going to discuss in our classes there. No need to worry for that. Up to Java 14 version. Yeah. Yeah, in this Python batch, just whatever the Python I have announced there, in that, both the core and advanced Python, both I am going to discuss. Okay, guys, and anyway, it is taking some time, guys, and JDK 8 now. Already this JDK 8 is available with me, just I want to use. Guys, can I use this, my available version here? 212 MB is available, but 20.0 is only be downloaded here. Just can I use my existed one? Already I had that JDK 8 update 251. Just can I use that? Can I use that, guys? Yeah. Just I want to cancel this, not required for me. Just already that thing is available with me at E Drive and softwares new and Java softwares and Java 64-bit. It's available here. JDK update, JDK U update 221. It is existed case. Let me copy this. Just I want to copy this. I'll go for your D drive and Java 6 folder where softwares folder I provided. There I want to keep this. Now paste it. All right, sir. Now see this. All of you observe this clearly. Now this I want to install it. This is an application. We have to install it. So Java 6 version installer we are getting. Java SE version directly. What we are getting there? No installed folder distribution here we are getting there. Now again Java 8 version we have to install. Double click on it. Double click on it. Now automatically installation process will start. Click on S button. Even the Java 7 also we can download from Oracle. If you download from Oracle and we can directly set up file here we are able to get, then we can start that setup. Right, sir. Guys, after this clearly, right from the Java 8 version onwards, they are giving some guidelines. So this wizard will guide you through the installation of the process. No, the terms under which this version of the software license have changed. That means in general that Java version might be the terms changed there in Java 11 onwards, it's going to be affected actually. All right, sir. Now let me click on next button. Right, sir. Now it is asking about that JDK location there. I don't want to install under program files. Just I want to say directly like which one here. C drive Java program files I want to remove. This is as per my flexibility, but we can install under program files also. No issues there. It's going on. Right, yes. All of you, what I'm telling you know, better to download and install all three versions. JDK 7, if you want to go for Open JDK, that means jdk.java.net. That website, if you want to go there, we can go there. Or as well directly, you can go for the directly website where we can download the Java 7 version also, depending on our operating system. But I promoted to go for like which one there? jdk.java.net. Jagadish and they did not provide link to access previous videos. Just Jagdish, I think so. Already registered for this course. Just talk with them. Try to send your like what I'm telling there. Just directly you can send request mail to them. Already I inquired about it. They said to me already they shared that link to. That means Google Drive link to everybody. Then previous videos are also existed there actually. Python course is like which one here? Python course is around. You can think of it. Python course is around like 2 to 2.5 months of time. It will take no. Vinith Bongiri, it is not possible. Why? Because already I have a number of batches there. Almost all this third time you are sending this message today. And whatever the commitment I've given in the demo class, the same thing I'm going to follow. Just 6 to 7:30 actually the time, no 6 to 7:15. 1 hour 15 minutes will take mandatorily. I'm sure about it. But 2 hours of time in the sense, I have some other batches there. Already I committed for number of batches now. How I'm going to do that? Just please understand the situation. What I'm telling to you know. So I'm having nearly per day nearly 9 to 10 batches are available on complete Java and Python. So if I increase time for you, then I have to shift that batches the time to time. It's not possible. Why? Because and before this batch I need to take that Python class, and after this batch I have to take some, and in the future I need to start advanced Java classes for you. How it is possible? Most of third time we are sending this message. No, that I'm responding for this. No, right, sir. Just let us wait for it. It's going on. Anyway, sir, my mission is a bit slower in the recent time now. Just Please check this. Then in our systems, it may be completed fastly. Right. In online cases, after Corona, I will check almost 1 week of time. After this lockdown removed, I will check 1 week of time in online classes. If the environment is cool at Hyderabad, if no issues are available, then only I will call for the offline students to come for offline. Up to the time, max online only, I'm going to take these sessions. Yeah. And recently, those who are started this, that means yesterday, those who are started this classes there, and before that, anyway, then those who are recently attending this class there, you must come for which one? Online only, online classes. But previously, some people are might be available there in offline. No, I will start these offline classes maybe after like which one can know after Corona, after checking the possibility at our Hyderabad. If everything is clear, then only I will do that. Right, sir. I think so. It is giving like which one, sir? It's asking about GRE location. Just I need to change this GRE location there. C drive. Inside the C drive, I need to for like which one? Java. In Java, I want to create a folder. GRE 8. I want to create and select on it. GRE 8 we are getting and click on OK. Now see Java GRE 8. Next button. 3 billion devices run Java. There's a story here. We can understand it. This sharing, I think so. Yesterday only the class is not shared in classroom there. Then almost all the things are shared in the classroom there. That's it. That's it. Almost all it is completing. That's it. Now completing. Close. That's it. Now 3 versions here I completed, sir. Then after completion of these 3 versions, then what I will do now. Right, guys. Now the softwares are available in our system. See at the Java. All the softwares here I installed. Java 6, Java C7, and Java 8. All 3 versions I installed in our system here. That's okay, fine. And guys, now just wait 1 minute. People are asking about this classroom notes. Let me provide this. Guys, all of you take this classroom code, and those who are at present you are attending there, just take this classroom code. Those who are new members, yes, just you can take this classroom code. Here I'm going to upload the document every time. Guys, please take this classroom code. Those who are new members today or old members, whoever it may be, I'm going to use this classroom. I'm going to use this classroom code there. All of you take this. Yes, guys, all of you taken. All of you have taken this? Right. Right, sir. Now, okay, I'll go for this. Which one? Now, okay, I'll go for Java 6. Right, sir. Right. Right, yes, sir. Now try to take this content there anyway. Then, what next one apart from this? Right, sir. Now, just go for it. No problem. Total, just what we completed today, just I completed that installation process. No, after completion of this installation process, we need to go for some setups. After that setups, we need to go for some experiments over these versions. By that, we are able to complete the total Java software installations. Overall, 3 versions I installed in today's session. Just only installations we completed. How to install that? That I shown that. Then how to use them in our applications? I have to discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. Now I will discuss about this content on tomorrow. Tomorrow I will show how to install and all and how to execute all these things. We are going to see that all these points on tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. And tomorrow we will continue the remaining points. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Definitely. Then an advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, and everything are going on. Then all the classes I am going to take after Corona, in the sense not only after Corona, even in the regular classes also. I think so. This Friday I planned for like which one they're Hibernate at 8:30 night. 8:30 I planned for this Hibernate. That's it. Definitely. Then core and advanced Java just I will start parallelly. After completion of some topics in core Java, at least I need to start object orientation. In object orientation, if I complete few topics there, then I will start advanced Java parallel. Right. Definitely, I will start parallelly this content. Just you can through classroom code here we can connect with me, or just if you have any doubts in the classroom, just we can type the messages in question box. Then I will answer for it. Nilesh. Right, sir. Djanga when class is starting, and Djanga I'm planning on this Friday. On this Friday, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 o'clock, afternoon 3 o'clock, I'm starting this Django. Right, sir. Good. The duration of advanced Java is also the same, sir. Almost all 3 months of time it will take. Core and advanced. Both. Core Java 3 months and advanced Java is also like this. Yeah, advanced Java duration is also like that. No, no, no. On advanced Java, only advanced Java. Spring separate batch and Hibernate separate batch. All are separate batches only. Advanced Java is a separate batch. Core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, web services, all are separate batches only. Backup classes, I will start. Maybe I'll give intimation to you very soon. By that, we'll attend for these backup classes. Not to worry for that. Right, sir. For full stack web development in the sense like which side, no, Java side or like UI side, UI technology side. Web development in the sense it's going on with the UI and as well as like which one Java also. At Java side, if you want to go for that web development, definitely we must go for which one Java. Java is mandatory. Why? Because and like which one here, web application development is going on with Java also there. Some frameworks are available, and like number of things are available. Just that we have to decide now. If you want to go for US side, Java is not required. But if you want to come for the Java with web development, definitely Java is mandatory. From first onwards, I didn't got classroom notes. Anyways, sir, just I'm uploading that. I given that new classroom code to all of you know. New classroom code I've given there. Then in that new classroom code, I uploaded all the content, everyday content I uploaded there. Right, sir. Java programming format I set you, then maybe then if you are almost all the members are covered, I think might be. I don't know how you missed that. And if you are not covered that in the backup classes, I will take. You can attend for it. Krishnanjan Naika. Just I will take the backup classes that we can go for it. Spring Hibernate and web services duration. So definitely then Spring Hibernate web services. If you do see every course, Hibernate will take exactly within 40 to 45 days of time. But the Spring and web service, Spring will take a lot of time. Why? Because and where up to Spring Boot and microservices we have to discuss, it will take a lot of time. On around 4 months of time it will take to complete that all. 4 months of time. If you do parallelly, every two courses, if you do parallelly, then it will take nearly 4 months of time. Right, sir. So Google Classroom code I said to you just now. Advanced Java at evening only, sir. Advanced Java I'm planning for like which at what time there. So 6 to 7:30 I will take our class there, and 7:30 onwards I will plan maybe after this class. Just 1 hour 15 minutes for core Java, 1 hour 15 minutes for advanced Java in the future. Right, sir. At 7:15 or 7:20 onwards I will start advanced Java. More evening time only after this core Java. Yes, Ashwara, I given already answer for it. It will take nearly 4 months of time to complete it. Yeah. And classroom notes, how to access it. Guys, I already shown that. Anyway, then if you are not aware about it, just I will give the clarity to you. First of all, open your Gmail account. Guys, the classroom notes I am telling there, how to access it, all of you know. If you are not aware about it, just open your like which one gave. Gmail, open your Gmail. If you open the Gmail there, here we are able to get some apps. Google Apps part is available. Google Apps part is existed here. Just click on this Google Apps, scroll down. Here we are getting classroom. Here we are getting classroom. Right, sir. Inside this classroom here, what we are getting there, we are getting that Core Java new 6 p.m. The title I provided there. Anyway, then before that, what I am you just I will support to you. What was that code I given there? First of all, take this code. If you have not taken that code, take this code. Already I shown already code to you, know, but people are not taking that. Try to take this code, whatever the code I have given there. Try to note down that code, or maybe try to take screenshot, whatever it may be. Yes, has taken this code. Those who are not yet taken, try to take this. Right, sir. If you take this code, then what we have to do there? Come for this classes here. Plus symbol is available. Click on this plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, join class option is available. Join class. Click on it. Here it is asking about class code. Enter that class code. Automatically you will see that classroom code. Right, sir. Then directly we will get that classroom. Open it. Will open that classroom. There we can access our content. Right, guys. Complete it. Right. Right, guys. And anything else regarding this content? Anything else, guys? Right. And right. And shall we meet on tomorrow? Right, guys. That's all for today, and we'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will show how what are the various setups here we have to put for our Java totally. That all the setups here I will discuss with you clearly. Yeah, JDK is not installed properly. Just we will check on tomorrow, guys. No problem. Yeah, or otherwise, and try to uninstall it and again install it. You'll get it max. Then try to uninstall it. then try to install it. Yeah. Thanks a lot.